Hey guys, it's Tica Rose here, and we're back bringing Summer Fete 2.0. We're so excited. Summer Fete this year is going to be so amazing. We're at this amazing venue called Napa Manor, and guess what this year's theme is? Tulum vibes. You see the vibes.
Baby, follow my command, like zombie. Go down on me, you with your coca body.
When I say we're bringing Tulum to South Florida, be ready. Like I said, you see the vibes, the looks, the girls, everything. We have some amazing influencers coming. We have different vendors bringing black and brown together to showcase so many different partnerships, so many different experiences. We have 3 DJs this year. We have yoga. There's so many different things that's going to be happening this year, and I cannot wait for you guys to experience it. Look at where we're starting. The house. Napa Manor has showcased it and sponsored their home for us to showcase a beautiful experience. And this year, we're definitely bringing it.
Mona Lisa, I go sweep you off your feet. What up, what's up? She said, make some time for me, see for this.
I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have in store for you. It's going to be so amazing. Can't wait to see you.
Baby.